What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be restoring the headlights on this pickup truck, as you guys see me doing here, and I'm going to be just taking you along for the whole process, kind of explaining it, and obviously you can see it on the screen, which also helps. So we're going to be starting with just removing the oxidation. As you guys see me doing here, there's really just a light layer of oxidation, so it didn't take much. And then we're just moving straight into the 2000 grit sandpaper. Um, and we're going to be basically doing two stages of sanding. So we're going to start with 2000, and then we're going to finish off with 3000 grit sandpaper to kind of perfect this headlight. The 2000 will kind of remove the deeper scratches, and then the 3000 will kind of remove the um, 2000 grit implied scratches and just kind of the finer scratch in general, kind of smooth out the whole thing. And then we're going to be applying a headlight ceramic coating that's specifically designed for headlights because they get a lot of obviously wear and tear by just like the sun and obviously bugs and stuff hit them because they're kind of in the front of your vehicle. And this headlight ceramic coating also has a lifetime warranty on it, so it obviously is going to last a really long time. So what you guys see me doing here is just the 3000 grit sandpaper. And like I said, is going to remove kind of those lighter scratches that are really obviously not as heavy and not as deep into the headlight clear coat as the 2000. So, but they obviously still need to be taken care of before we apply the headlight ceramic coating because they need to be taken out. The headlight needs to be as smooth as possible before we do apply the ceramic coating. So we're really taking our time on the sanding. So after we're done with sanding, we are just going to put some paint prep on the headlights, make sure they're all good. Then we're going to let them dry, air dry for a while, and then you guys can see here we are applying the ceramic coating, the headlight ceramic coating to the headlights. You guys can see it just kind of takes away that layer of haze that's there from the sanding, obviously. And you guys can see the headlight looks really perfect after that. And then we're just going to do the other one. We did, by the way, sand down and obviously remove the oxidation and everything and fully prep this other headlight. Just none of that was videoed, but it did all get done on both headlights, obviously. So you guys can see here, just once again applying that headlight ceramic coating, clear coat to both headlights, making sure that it's really thorough. And then here's the after result. You guys can see looks basically brand new, which is kind of the whole thing about headlight restoration is you can really get your headlights looking brand new again for a fraction of the cost of a new headlight. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out anytime, and we'll talk to you guys later.